Mastering citations. The use of et al. In reference lists.
Hello and welcome to this quick guide on how to properly cite multiple authors using et al. In a reference list or bibliography. This can often seem a little tricky, but no worries, we're here to break it down for you. Remember, accurate citations are crucial for academic integrity and giving proper credit to the original authors of the work you're referencing.
What does et al. Mean?
First off, let's understand what et al. Means. It's a Latin term that stands for et alia, meaning and others. In academic writing, it's used when a source has several authors, typically more than two. Using et al. Allows us to shorten the citation and keep our work tidy.
When to use et al.
The guidelines on when to use et al. Can depend on the citation style you're using. For example, in APA, 7th edition, et al. Is used in both the narrative and parenthetical citations when a work has 3 or more authors. The first time you cite the source, list all authors. Subsequent citations of the same work can be shortened to the first author's surname followed by et al. In MLA, et al. Is used when a work has 3 or more authors. Even for the first citation, you only need to list the first author followed by et al. In Chicago style, et al. Is typically used in the bibliography when a work has 4 or more authors.
How to use et al.
Now let's look at how to use et al. In actual citations. Here are some examples. APA style first citation, Smith, Johnson, and Brown, 2020. Subsequent citations, Smith et al., 2020. MLA style all citations, Smith et al., 45. Chicago style in the bibliography, Smith, John, et al. Title of the work. Publisher, year. Remember, et al. Is always followed by a period, since it's an abbreviation. That's it for this guide on using et al. In citations. Remember, the rules can vary slightly depending on the citation style you're using, so always refer to your style guide if you're unsure. But in general, et al. Is an invaluable tool for citing works with multiple authors, helping you keep your writing clean and concise. We hope you found this guide helpful. Happy writing and citing!